Something just came off. Uh-oh. I gotta go repair it. Hopefully it's able to be repaired. Doesn't look it. That's not good. Alright, I'll be back. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're gonna be repairing a drone arm. And I can show you what we have to do. Hopefully it's repairable. First, we want to take out this screw right here. Okay. Alright. Got the screw out. It's good. Put some lighting on in here. Come on one sec. Got the screw off. Just saw. Alright, now we have to get another one off. This one right here. Do that. Got that off. 2 screws. Let's set them to the side. Alright, now we're able to move the black part around on it. Now what we have to do is very carefully. Uh-oh. Actually, hold up. It's not good or bad. I don't know what just happened. I think what we should do is take out all the screws on this one arm. We got 2 out, we just need 1 more. Alright, we got the 3rd one out. So now what we want to do is put them back in. I can't record this part. It's gonna be too hard to. Oh, it's all dirty too. Alright, I'm gonna stop it, bud. So I'm almost done fixing it, right? And I lose a screw, okay? Dang. and I can't find it, and I just found it in here because these weren't turning. So now I got a magnetic kit. Use a magnet such as this screw driver. Get it out without damaging the bearings. Because I got it out and I've been thinking it's been inside the drone. Why is it not focusing? Sorry guys. It's been inside the drone. So I took out the battery and looked around there. Stuck the screwdriver because they're both magnetic and it would attach to it. Couldn't find it, and I was just moving them around, and these move around much better now. Wow, that's actually pretty funny. Alright, I'm gonna put this on, do a test flight for you guys, see how it works.